Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to download, install, and use the V2rayNG client with a Socks5 server on your Android device for secure browsing. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all our tech tutorials. Let's start by installing the V2rayNG app. If the app is available in your country, open the Play Store and search for V2rayNG. From the results, select the official app, download, and install it. Once the installation is complete, simply tap Open and you'll be on the home screen of the app. Now, if the app isn't available on the Play Store, there's an alternative method. Open any browser on your phone and type UDP Custom in the search bar. From the results, go to the official UDP Custom website. On the home page, tap the menu in the top right corner and select the option for All Country VPN. Here, search for V2rayNG VPN. Tap it to download the APK file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder, tap the APK, and install it. After installation, the app will either launch automatically or you can open it directly from your home screen. With V2rayNG installed, let's move on to setting up a Socks5 server. Since we are already on the UDP custom website, tap on the menu again and this time select Socks5 servers. You will see a list of free Socks5 servers. Choose any server you like and note down the IP address and port number. Go back to the V2rayNG app and add a new configuration. Select Socks5 as the protocol, then enter the copied IP and port information. Give your server a custom name and tap Check to save the configuration. Now, on the home screen of the app, tap the server you just created and then press the play button to start the connection. You can also test the server by tapping Test to see its ping response. To confirm your VPN connection is active, open a browser and visit the website What is my IP? You should notice that your IP address has changed, which means the Socks5 server is working properly through V2rayNG. If you want to save or share your Socks5 configuration, first stop the VPN connection, then tap the Share button. You'll be able to export the configuration, either as a QR code or copy it to your clipboard for future use. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to download V2rayNG, set up a Socks5 server, and connect it on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech updates. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content.